Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best, and not so best, of what's trending in tech and accessories. Today, we're diving into a sleek and stylish option for your Apple Watch. The waterproof stainless steel Milanese band with case in gold, compatible with Apple Watch 40mm Series 6, 5, 4, and SE. Let's get started right away with first impressions. Straight out of the box, this band feels premium. The stainless steel Milanese mesh is tightly woven, giving it a refined, luxurious look without being overly flashy. It's gold, but not a loud gold, more of a champagne tone that's classy and elegant. And yes, it comes bundled with a matching case, which is a great bonus at this price point. Now, onto the design. One of the standout features here is how effortlessly the magnetic clasp works. It uses a secure magnetic closure system that's not just easy to snap on and off, but also surprisingly strong. Once it's on your wrist, it's not slipping off accidentally. Adjusting the fit is seamless, no tools needed, no pins to fumble with. Just slide and lock. Whether your wrist is slender or broad, it conforms comfortably. Let's talk compatibility. This one's specifically for the 40mm Apple Watch Series 6, 5, 4, and SE. If you're unsure of your watch size, you can check the back of your watch for the series number. The band connects smoothly to the watch body, with no looseness or rattling. The bundled case fits snugly and gives added peace of mind if you're someone who's a little tough on your tech. It wraps around the watch face with precision, leaving enough space for the screen and crown to function without obstruction. Now, waterproof? That's a bold claim, and we put it to the test. Light rain? No problem. Sweaty gym session? Still looking good. This isn't meant for deep-sea diving, but for everyday life. From workouts to washing your hands to walking in the rain, it holds up well. The mesh doesn't retain water, and it dries off quickly. No rusting, no fading. That's a huge plus for a metal band in this price range. Speaking of durability, the stainless steel is resistant to scratches from everyday wear. Over a week of use, there were minimal signs of scuffing, even after brushing against a metal desk and some gym equipment. It holds up, and it holds up in style. Now, packaging. It's simple, eco-conscious, and protective. No over-the-top branding or excess plastic, just the essentials. You open the box, and you get exactly what was promised. A stainless steel Milanese band and a case, both in gold. Both ready to elevate your Apple Watch from tech gadget to fashion accessory. As for style, this band walks the line between casual and formal beautifully. You can wear it to a meeting, and it won't look out of place on a night out either. The smooth metallic finish catches just enough light without being distracting. It's a conversation starter without screaming for attention. Let's talk value. At under $25 at the time of this video, this band and case combo feels like a steal. You're getting a high-end look and solid build quality without the markup you'd expect from official Apple accessories. It's not just about looks, it's also functional and protective, which means you're not sacrificing durability for style. Now, any drawbacks? Well, if you're someone who prefers soft silicone for workouts, this band might not be your thing. While it's breathable for metal, it still doesn't match the flexibility of a sport band. Also, if you're using an older or newer series with a different case size, this specific model won't fit. But as long as you're in the 40mm Series 6, 5, 4, or SE category, you're golden, quite literally. Final verdict. This Milanese band with case is one of the best value upgrades you can make to your Apple Watch. It's stylish, durable, easy to wear, and does exactly what it claims. It's the kind of accessory that makes your tech feel more like an extension of your personal style. So, if you're looking to refresh your Apple Watch look without breaking the bank, the waterproof stainless steel Milanese band and case might just be your next favorite upgrade. If you enjoyed this deep dive from Product Critique, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Got a product you want us to try next? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.